ROS fam, what's going on? See this motherfucker right here? He refuses to cooperate. He don't want to give y'all the update on the 75, so I'm gonna do it. But anywho, as y'all remember last time when I showed y'all this the 75, it had no fenders, doors, no trunk lid on it, and it was basically still white. But like you say, man, we're gonna give y'all step-by-step process of it. We're gonna try to anyways. But here's where we at with it right now. Fenders back on, doors back on, and it's been, help me out, John.
It's been slick sanded and guide coated, and now the blocking process has begun to block the body. Since the car's going triple black, it's got to be laser straight. If it ain't laser straight, it ain't even worth doing it.
Awesome. See, that's my technical man. He know all the paint talk. My boy John, he been painting, man, for like 20 years. So he know a lot of the technical jargon. I really don't. I know more about engines and that kind of thing. But as y'all can see, man, yeah, this is the update so far. Progress they done made.
So all this, see all the black overspray on there? That's your guide coat. The purpose for that, when you block the car down, any place that still has black on it is a low spot. If it rubs through faster, then you know you got a high spot. So you're blocking until you have no more of this. And this is only the first time. We'll probably end up priming it and guide coating it again, giving it a few more blockings before it gets actually painted.
All right. See, y'all even learn something if you tune into this channel, man. I'm telling you. We're gonna always try to do stuff like that. You know, not just post cars and videos and stuff. We actually gonna try to, you know, try to teach y'all some things. If we know something about it, then we're gonna talk about it, you know, and maybe, you know, somebody will learn something from watching it. But yeah, man, this is where we at, bro. The 75 is gonna be triple black. I think black wheels, black interior, black top, black body. And as far as the motor going, I don't know what motor he's gonna go with. I think an LS, because that's the thing nowadays. LS motors, shit, what they say, LS the world. Yeah, so that's probably what's gonna happen. But yeah, man, this is where we at so far. So after they finish the you know, that whole block sanding process, then we'll come back and maybe it'll be painted by then, and we'll get y'all that content also. So y'all stay tuned, man. Project 75, this is the update. No, it's not my car, it's a friend's car, but like I say, dude, we're gonna bring y'all these updates, and y'all can see this bitch from start to finish, man. And this is Big Boy T signing out for the RS fam, man. I'm gonna get with y'all. Yay. Oh yeah, before I leave, once again, Rintos Automotive Concepts.
There's got to be a mistake.
They the ones doing this.
Rintos Automotive Design.
So, and oh yeah, I think the last time in my last video I might have showed y'all his I think a F250. It's an F250.
F250 King Ranch.
Yeah, I think I showed y'all this in my last video. It wasn't quite done yet.
Still not done.
But
bed's got to be bolted down and aligned.
Okay. But again, progress. You know what I'm saying? I think the last time I showed y'all this in my last video, I think the bed may have not been on it, and a couple other things I can't remember. But yeah, this is where we at on this big boy too. So, like I say, man, y'all stay tuned, stay locked on the channel, man. We're trying to bring y'all good content, useful content, fun content. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell, click all, and you'll get all the videos we uploaded. You'll get all the notifications for them. And you know, like, comment, that also help us out too, man. Help us grow the channel. And as the channel gets bigger, we're gonna talk about giveaways and raffles and stuff like that. So, but I got to get with my partners and figure out what the hell it is we're gonna give away. But yeah, so this is the progression. Also on the F250 King Ranch. So y'all stay locked in because we're gonna bring y'all more on this one too. So, but for real though, on the real this time, I'm gonna be out for real. Like I say, this is your boy T. That's the homie John right there. And we are riding old schools, and y'all is the fam. But we gotta go. We gotta head out to Orlando. We're going to shoot this wide body Charger. We're gonna bring y'all footage on that too. So like I say, man, we out of here, and y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, week, or whatever, whenever this video get uploaded. But hey, we'll get with y'all, man. Yay.
Got instrumentals.
Zombie on the track.